absolute chaos. For those who don't know, we're going on a Disney cruise. We are going July 1st to the 6th, and we are headed to Disney's new island. We are headed to Castaway Cay. We're headed to Bahamas, but first we got to get there. We are heading to Fort Lauderdale, and as timing should have it, the Stanley Cup. I'm a Canadian. The Stanley Cup parade is the Sunday before our cruise. Hopefully we get to see it. We fly out tomorrow, Friday, and we will be there. I always forget to film an intro and outro for videos. I'm trying to do better at that. And also on top of this, we just moved our family from Charlotte all the way across the country to here, Oregon. So I'm just gonna go through a few things, show some fish extenders, how I packed, how I did it. Obviously, it's all on me. My husband just finished coaching football, so they're off for July and all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna let you see what I've done so far, what I do for fish extenders, etc. Funny. So my husband was gifted this bag when they were in the college playoffs. So I was going to use it originally, but then I'm like, I don't want to ruin a really nice football bag. So here are our stickers for the door. Now look at this one. Oh my God, this is my all-time favorite. I got it on Etsy and I had to paint it myself. It almost got ruined being mailed here. That's a whole other story. And I gotta take the batteries out, but look. Oh, how do I, wrong way. Go the other way, what, one? Somehow, how did I get it not to blink last time? I don't want to blink. Is there a button? Anywho, these are super magnets. This will go on a wall and our door, and it looks awesome. I have, obviously, my cruise hooks. My husband's like, we don't need these. I'm like, yeah, we do. I made my own light up one for Pirate Night. Just says, you know, Disney Magic, yo ho. A whiteboard to tell our kids where we are in case my son's old enough to sign himself out. We have our fish extender. Oh my God, these are earth magnets. Oh my goodness. These I have to hang up our towel. The Battle of the Magnets. These are the ones everyone uses. Amazon. I hang up towels. We're not going to use lanyards this cruise because we got the magic band. So these are I like for towels, coats, purses. It's just easier, I think, when you have stuff right at the door to hang up. I'm going to go through just some must-haves that I do. Why does it always go so close? This gets the sand off. It's reef friendly. It is talc-free. We use this at the beach. There's nothing I hate more than sand. On the Disney cruise, we bring Element. This has no crap in it. My kids don't like it. It's salty. This is like drinking pure salt. You're gonna be outside in the sun all day. You gotta keep yourself hydrated. You're in salt water. You're, you know, in the sun. We have only one day at sea. So this is what I pack. Also, our sunblock, we use Sea Safe. If you don't know, apparently on Castaway Cay by the water slide area, there's a lot of sea lice. So this keeps the sea lice and the jellyfish off. It is fragrance free. It is coral reef safe. Yes, it's jellyfish and sea lice barrier. We used it last cruise and didn't get any bites, and there's nothing like my hatred of sand. There's nothing worse to me. And then in our little cruise bag, we have, of course, motion sickness medicine. We take this at night. That way if it makes us sleepy, we're asleep. I brought, because I get it, there's the toilet divided. I'll show it from this end. We bring a poopery. I bring Tide packs, Band-Aids, Benadryl, all that fun stuff to give in case someone gets sick. So that just kind of goes in with it. And what else do I need? And wait, I gotta show you this. This is, how amazing is this? By the way, look at our view from our bedroom. This is our new house. We just got here, loving it. But look at this. We all know on cruises and in Disney hotel rooms, it is hard. So this thing here attaches them all, and then you just plug in one plug, and they're all going. My husband's is at work, but look at this thing. If you check me out at Tots and Touchdowns on Instagram, I mention them a lot, this company. I'll try to mention it if I remember in the comments. And it just sits like this. It's like a little tower. And they all snap in, and it's got little designs on the side. Like, thank you to whoever invented this. As far as devices go, I have one of these. It's like an extender that I use for my phone. Oh, wait, I know what I forgot to show that is really cool. I'll show in a second. We got these fans. We got these at Home Depot. They also have this one, which works as a fan and a flashlight. It It's actually quite powerful. I have my GoPro all ready for the airline. I use my Airfly, I'm not gonna lie, we're flying first class there. My husband, for his job, has already stayed like 100 nights in a hotel. We get a lot of hotel points and airline points. So this, you just plug it in and it works, so your earbuds work on the airplane. So there you go. Fish extenders, and as I said, like we just moved in, like we literally have carpets and like stuff's not on the walls. But fish extenders, okay, here's my pixie dusting. I collect things throughout the year. These were on sale. They were on sale and then on sale again. They were $3, these little pockets. Then I went and these were on sale. Where did I find these? I think at Primark. Oh no, Target, I found them. And then for the families, finally someone decided each family gets a bag. Okay, everything is just jammed in here. More pixie dust gifts. I did like my daughter meets friends and kids club, little elastics with the little magic light everyone does. I found some Squishmallows on sale again. And then like the bags for the families. Oh my gosh, first of all, these are so fun to me. I'm just gonna show one because this is an entire carry-on that I'm pretty, they're gonna be like, lady. We had teenagers in our group, so I thought it was funny to get them sleep masks. That's what I did. I'm trying to find, I got for each woman in the cabin, because I'm assuming it's the mother, I don't wanna, got the bag. And then for the dads, I did a personalized beer thing and some poopery, and then I did a bunch of kind of like these things and DIY bracelets. Fish extenders can be as much or as little as you want, but here we are. This is what they look like. I love doing it. My love language is gifts, so this is what we're doing. Oh, I'm gonna show you a real neat one we did. If you go on Etsy, these are kind of everywhere, the sprinkles. So I put these in a bunch. These are color changing spoons, so that way when they get the ice cream, they can just add their own sprinkles. I just thought it was simple, it's cute. I collected this all. This is not a lot of money. It just, you know, I already started collecting for next year. Okay, Daddy, we made it on our flight. Kids are over there. We apparently may be diverted. So let's see how this goes. Fingers crossed we make it all the way to Fort Lauderdale tonight. So let's see. Here we go. Ready? And here we are. We did take off. It was looking dicey for a bit, but we managed to leave Portland. When we were checking in, it was really weird because they had said to us, hey, you might not make it. You might land in Savannah. And we still got on the plane. Everyone else did. So we just thought, I've never heard that before. Is it going to happen? But we made it. Now, we used points for this flight. As you can see, we got to use first class. My husband is gone a lot. So these are some of the perks of a football job. Breakfast, I had blueberry pancakes with sausage, egg scramble. I had awesome yogurt, a bun, peaches, and of course that mimosa. My husband, he kind of went with more of a quiche. His sausage was a chicken sausage. I didn't like it as much. My kids got the same as me with the pancakes. I'm not gonna lie, the pancakes were good. The pancakes were delicious. And okay, we have made it to Orlando. We did not have to stop in Savannah, Georgia. A little tired, but we made it. And now we're getting on the train to take it to Fort Lauderdale. Going, follow the signs for the train station. I was just saying how my daughter looks like me at school drop-off. Oh, there she is. So I headed, then I took the elevator. We got off level 5. You will see signs for the Brightline trains. Pretty easy look for a train that's not shutting. We're gonna head, we have the premier seats, so we're gonna check our bags, head to the lounge, and see how it is. So stay tuned for this awesome train ride. We can't wait. It's 2 hours and 45 minutes. Notice we are surrounded by bags because they told us we could not check them. So we are now hauling a giant piece of luggage. We got this saying that it's an approved carry-on, which means they can get on the train, but we assumed with premier tickets we would get checked bags, and we didn't. So yes, we're just dealing with that right now. Get area to buy drinks, t-shirts. Ooh, Brightline gear. They got their own merch. We got shirts. We got Brightline hats and water bottles, Florida gear, nice. And then we have a bar area, Mary Mary. where they serve cocktails, it looks like. They have the train sign, oh it ticks, that's kind of cool. Pretty crowded in here today. The next train is leaving in a bit. Surrounded that Premier Lounge. As you can see, it is rammed in here. Pretty busy. No seats available. And when your train comes, they announce it and remove these. So there you go.
At this time, reporting the 4:50 train to Miami, stopping in West Palm Beach, Boca Raton, Fort Lauderdale.
There's the food area there. We have hot chocolate coffee, self-serve drinks. They have a little pasta. Down further, it's the mirroring area. You serve yourself a bar, and here's the whole area. This is that. Oh, here we go. Back on track. To get a drink, it is a self-serve machine. You have to scan your face, scan your license, and it gives you, if it has 0 as the price, that means it's complimentary. If it has a price to it, it means it's not included. So I went with the rosé. They had red wine, white wine. My husband got a beer. They had noodle salad. What else did they have, Lola? Is that chicken salad? They've had sandwiches and salads. The big problem we had was our luggage when we got here is we couldn't check our bags. Because we thought because we had Premier tickets that it would be included, and it's not. So we were hauling 7 pieces of luggage onto a train and down an escalator. So that should be fun. But so far we're liking the lounge. The employees are very nice. Everyone's been so kind, and we're having a good day. A little tired. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sleep/read on this section of the trip. But so far Brightline's been great. I'll let you know how the train food, everything that is once we get on it. We got on the train, Lola, tell us about it so far. Show us the features of our family sitting area.
Clouds.
We have a blind, no. What are the features? We have a tray, a pull-up tray to hold a drink. Pull-down blind area. There's little charging stations that can pump up. But if you sit in this family section, they face forward and we are facing back. We do one of these in this area, right? Here we are, and then our baggage is way down at the end. Here we are. So the cart just came around. I got put together this cuvée Italia. Husband got what? Beer?
Yep. Nice little IPA.
Just water. We got some like sprinkly type things, like gummy bears, and then they just kind of continue on. They have, you know, the typical Pepsi, water, coffee, tea, popcorn. But now we're going a little fast. Here we go.
No.
Okay, so we've got lunch served. Oh, I got the crazy sandwich. And then we have a chocolate, little fruit cup, and a hummus and veggies. Italian. Salad. Here we go. Not too bad. Okay, and as I close out this vlog, thoughts on Brightline. It was a cool experience. It rained the entire time we were on the train. I can't imagine being in traffic. I think it definitely saved us time. We didn't have to go to a rental car. We didn't have to worry about rain and traffic and people. Our bags were a huge thing with this. I assumed because of our seats, we had free check-in, but we didn't. So make sure if you book premium seats that you check bags ahead of time. Other than that, you are given 2 alcoholic drinks per stop. So because we stopped, I believe twice, that's 3 segments. So I think my husband did have 6 drinks. I had 1. We were fed, we had snacks. My son slept the entire train ride. Follow us next while we get on our cruise. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.